Controls for the first 4 hydraulic remotes are located at the top of the multi-control armrest. The number 1 remote hydraulic lever will control the outer left side coupler. Each of the controls is a multi-position lever. The positions for each are as shown. F, float. L, lower retract. N, neutral. R, raise extend. As shown previously, flow control is adjusted by accessing the electro-hydraulic remote's multifunction menu using the control knob under the armrest. Select the desired remote in the menu and use the control knob to increase the rate of hydraulic fluid flow to the assigned coupler to the desired flow. The remote function mode can be changed to suit the task at hand. Let's review these modes and their resulting function. The 2 most frequently used modes, motor and timer modes, are available using the mode button to the rear of the respective hydraulic remote control lever. The other remote function modes are selected using the remote valve control selection knob under the armrest pad. This accesses the multi-function menu in the instrumentation cluster for setting the mode, time, and flow of each remote valve, as well as locked-out mode. Use the timer motor mode button to the rear of the remote lever to place that remote valve in motor mode. Place the electro-hydraulic remote lever in the float position. Push and hold the timer motor mode switch for 2 seconds to toggle the motor mode on. The switch's lamp lights up to indicate motor mode is active. The hydraulic motor is then turned on when the lever is in the retract detent position and is off in any other position. This is to prevent damage to the implement connected to the motor circuit. The motor mode can only be exited by returning the lever to the float position and the motor coasted down, and then momentarily pushing the timer motor mode switch or with a key cycle. To connect the remote hoses, first clean the dust cover on the remote, the coupler on the tractor, and the male hose coupler from the implement. Push the male coupler forward. This will click it into the correct position. To disengage, simply grasp the male coupler and pull out. This coupling can be made whether or not the tractor or implement hydraulic system is under pressure. There's no need to place the remote control levers in float, as the pressure is relieved as soon as the hose tip end is placed into the hydraulic remote coupler. Remember to cycle the control lever about 3 times before you begin any operation to clear air from the cylinder and hoses. Before you disconnect any hydraulic implement, lower it to the ground or place it on safety stands and apply locks prior to uncoupling. A standard 7-terminal electrical outlet is located at the rear of the tractor. The outlet provides power for brake light, left turn signal, right turn signal, tail lamp, implement switch power, and field lights.